Hi guys, I'm doing a quick little taste test at home. I got some stuff from Kung Fu Tea. This is adorable. Princess Peach, she's on the lid to everything. This is their spooky drink, which is matcha and taro. It feels both confused but tasty. It has like that weird milk top. I don't like the milk caps, but I haven't really tasted very much of it. It does not look like the picture. And this one is their taro matcha with berry crystals. This one does not have Princess Peach in it, but it does have it on it. And the milk taro tea, pretty good. The berry crystal popping boba, that's just little bits of jelly. It's not bad, but I wasn't expecting it. Well, catch you later.